Rachel, I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. This technique is the best and easiest way to splatter acrylic paint onto any surface, which is perfect for creating interesting backgrounds, adding a sense of movement to a painting, and giving the effect of stars or snow. I used this technique in my fox and owl paintings and I really liked how it came out, so I thought I would share it with you. Take a fan paintbrush like this one. The size doesn't really matter, but it's the shape that's important. Dip the paintbrush into some water and then mix it with your acrylic paint to get more of a fluid consistency, not too thin and not too thick. I'd recommend testing it onto some paper or tissue before you splatter it onto your painting to make sure that it's the right consistency. There are two ways to splatter the paint. The first is to use your finger to pull the bristles of the brush backwards, which flicks little specks of paint onto your surface. This is the more subtle way, so this is the perfect technique if you want lots of little dots of paint without it standing out too much. This is the technique I used for my fox painting to create the effect of a starry sky. For the second version of this technique, use the same brush and the same consistency of paint, but this time hold the paintbrush just above the surface and then use your other hand to gently tap the top of the brush, which then causes the paint to flick off and create a beautiful splatter effect. This technique creates thicker and more obvious marks, so it's perfect if you want the splatters to really stand out in your painting. I used this technique to create the background in my owl painting and it was so much fun to create. I have also created another video with a different technique to splatter paint. This version creates larger splatters and is perfect if you're creating a big painting. I'll link to this video in the description of this post. I'll also add links to the video tutorials for the fox and owl paintings that I have shown in this video. I hope you have found this video helpful and I hope you create some really cool paintings with this technique.